Crypto Arbitrage Strategy, Must-Know Insights. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the Crypto Arbitrage Strategy. I've got some must-know insights that can help you master this strategy and make the most of your crypto investments. Let me share a quick story with you. Back in 2017, I found myself at a conference where I met an individual who had just sold their business for $2 million. But here's the twist, they didn't have the $2 million yet. Instead, they had invested in cryptocurrency. This was the moment when I realized there was something happening in the crypto markets that I couldn't ignore. Arbitrage is all about taking advantage of price discrepancies between different exchanges or markets. Imagine you have Ethereum on one exchange, but it costs 0.05 BTC more than on another exchange. By selling your Ethereum on the first exchange and buying it back on the second one, you can make a quick profit without even owning any cryptocurrency. Now, don't get me wrong, arbitrage isn't without its challenges. For instance, if you try to sell 10 BTC all at once on an exchange, you might run into liquidity issues. That's why it's essential to use a bot like Kryptonaut to automate the process and maximize your profits while minimizing your risks. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the crypto arbitrage strategy. If you found this insight valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. As always, happy trading and stay safe out there.